Got this giant box and I don't know what to do with it. And it's not like, it's heavy. It's not like a giant box that's empty. This is insane. But what's in the box?
What's in the box?
All right, guys, what we're doing today on the channel is I've been given this giant box from Soupcase. Now, this is a case manufacturer, which is new to me, but might not be new to you. They sent me an email, I looked it over, I checked out some of the cases, and I thought to myself, that's something I would put my phone inside. So I'm really excited and eager to dive in and see exactly all the different stuff we have. So without further ado, I say we get right into it. Oh my gosh. I don't even know where to start. This is a doozy. We'll get to that in a minute. Right now, I want to focus on this, a very special package that I cannot wait to share with all of you. Oh my God. You guys are seeing this the first time with me right now today. I've seen the images, I've seen the internets and the Twitters, but it's like, not until you see it and you hold it in your hand and you're like, wow, this is nice. It doesn't turn on, it's not real, it's just a mock-up. But this is my first look and my first grip of the potential iPhone 12 6.7, and this phone feels amazing. I want to go ahead and take a look at the 6.1 now. Oh my God. Gosh, just the way it feels in the hand is so amazing. Again, this could just be the mock-up material. I don't know. I'm not an expert. I don't even know how I ended up here today. But I'm here with this box of giant goodies. And this is the 6.1. And here is the 6.7. So here we have both new iPhones in our hands right now today. You're seeing it here first. And let's go ahead and take a look at some cases and check those out. This is what I would probably think is their pride and joy at the moment. This is the Unicorn Beetle Pro, and it has all sorts of drop test resistant protection, military standard notification stamped on it, which means it's gonna be a good case if you gotta drop your phone. This case is basically a legit OtterBox Pro Defender case. I've never been a big fan of the OtterBox Pro. You guys know that. But this thing is phenomenal. This is a case with a built-in screen protector, which is phenomenal if you're the person that needs this. You've got some resistance padding right in there, so that's good. So I like this. We have a screen protector. We have a case for the belt, and it goes any which way you want. And there's another little hidden feature which I'm super excited about. We have back here a kickstand. So here we've got the kickstand, which can hold your phone up like that, or if you're in a video conference or maybe a Zoom mode, maybe like that. I don't think I've ever used a more thought out case than this one right here. Do you think we should do a drop test with this, with our mock device? Let me get a thumbs up if you think we should do a drop test. I'm gonna be honest with you. Where have you been my whole life? The fact that you guys have the kickstand solves so many problems for me that you don't even know. I'm constantly setting my phone up around the house, doing dishes, cooking. I have my phone set up and propped up looking at things all the time. I'm a very productive individual. And now this phone has this kickstand, and that's just, it's gonna solve so many problems for me in my life. Like, talk about multi-faceted device. It will be able to do all sorts of things that it otherwise isn't able to do. But this color, I can't get enough of it. I keep looking at it. Soupcase, you guys did a phenomenal Great color on this blue. I love it. I love the kickstand. I can't wait to go ahead and check out a couple of the other cases. Maybe we'll go ahead and give you another closer look at the iPhone 12, so don't go anywhere. This is called the Vault. It looks pretty cool. You have a card holder, so you can keep some stuff there. So as your cards are locked in, secured there, which they're tight and snug, this definitely fits the phone really well. If there's one thing that I could probably say and give feedback on, is the edges need to be raised. This is not a critique or a request. It is absolutely mandatory. Edges need to be raised on devices. Now, there is some raised edge on there. I'm not saying there's none, but there's not enough for myself to say, okay, I feel great if my phone is going to hit the ground. If you like a thinner case, this is your case, and it's functional. This is what's really cool about this brand. They aren't just giving me cases, they're giving me functional cases that do other things than just protect my phone. This one props my phone up. This one lets me hold some credit cards. So this is the black exoskeleton. So this exo definitely gives us a little bit more of the raised edges that I was just asking for in the other case. I guess I should have inspected them all before I opened up my big mouth. But here we go. This one I feel a little bit more confident in. Look at this. iPhone 12, guys and gals. iPhone 12. The only thing it doesn't do is turn on. So here is the UB Pro, which this has got to be my favorite color. This definitely is. They're calling it green. I'm calling it gorgeous. I love this color. I love the accent. I love things that pop. Really, really like it. Great job here. Let's see what other colors. We got a few more colors we haven't explored yet, so hang in there. This is the UB Pro. Again, color pop. I love it. It looks gorgeous. It looks good. It's protecting my phone. Whatever color phone you end up with, people can actually see the color of your phone. Now, couple things that we want to go ahead and point out as far as the company Supcase. First thing you need to know, all of these gorgeous colors and cases that you saw today can be purchased on Amazon. All you have to do is search Supcase iPhone 12 or iPhone 12 Supcase. I will have links in the description to all of these wonderful cases on Amazon. Next thing I think is real important, Supcase is doing a giveaway. That is right. They are giving away a free iPhone. Not me, they are. All you have to do is go to supcase.com, enter, follow the instructions if you qualify. Next thing you know, you're gonna win an iPhone 12. Now with the Beetle Pro, they're offering two different models this year. They're offering, this is the first time ever, one without a screen protector and then one similar to what we saw here on the Beetle. So keep in mind when searching and looking, if you want one with that built-in screen protector goodness, go ahead and take advantage of that. Or if you want one without it and you choose to be a little bit more reckless, a little bit more exciting, you like to live on the edge, you can go ahead and use this case. Even if you want to use a third-party screen protector, it's going to be no problem at all. They have literally thought of everything. Next up, drop test, like I promised. All right, so here we are. We're about to perform a drop test in what I can only describe to you, my game room. Here we're gonna do the drop test and we have porcelain floors. It's not quite concrete, but it's what I have on short notice. If you want, go ahead and take a look. It is dark outside. I can't do a drop test outside, so we gotta do it inside. So here we go. Okay guys, I'm here to report the iPhone didn't survive. I dropped it. There's glass everywhere. I think Supcase is gonna be mad at me. I don't think they're ever gonna send me cases again. The case held up really well. And I suppose the real iPhone 12, well, it's gonna be made out of Gorilla Glass and this was just made out of glass. Till next time, like, comment, subscribe. For the love of tech, namaste.